Oh, friggin' rice, boys, you're gonna love this. We got our 21st under curtain done. It's our 21st, it's paid for itself. This one's all profit, boys, but the tip's plugged. Didn't plug at all, first 20. 21st one, tip's plugged. It's like pisses out, like, you know, when you friggin' banging a dirty male prostitute and you friggin' wake up in the morning and your pee's coming out in like 17 different directions. That's what's happening with the friggin' with the gun there, so that's perfect. But check this out, boys. Holy shit. Decent friggapini. And look at, oh, sweet mother lard and inwoods jankum say, oh, the good stuff. Oh, he's got his door shut. I was out here earlier, the door wide open, good stuff, fully exposed into the friggin' inwoods atmosphere. Yeah, what berm? It's rocks. I'll friggin' clear all that horse's dick out of there. And yeah, that'll be friggin' awesome peenie. Some terrible. Hopefully that dumps. We're gonna get rid of that one too. Alright? It's rocks. But yeah, we got to get the rig going, move some trailers, playing in the mud day to day, boys. You know, sort of does it when he has time. So I guess he's got time right now. Shut her down. And it's one thing after another, boys, friggin' taken away from my truck building operations. And we also still haven't done that trailer. But we gotta get the berm and everything out of the way first. So I guess that's kind of what we're doing. We're making way in the world today. It takes everything you got. You live in fucking Inwood, you best smoke tons and tons of pot. In other words, we got to hit the truck on, hook the trailer, move some dirt. It's gonna be awesome. Still pipe. Oh no! That's not good. That's trammy fluid. There's my fucking trammy. How close to a year was that? Probably just out of warranty too, you watch. I'm trying to come. There's the Vitya, January 18th. So we're golden, We're golden, no matter what's wrong with it. Warranty, bitches. It's got fluid into it, of course, but kind of smells a little burnt. A little of the darker colors. Spent $3,500 on a transmission and it almost lasts a year. That'd be great. To listen to reverse. No good. Oh, the new one. Yeah, beauty. Oh, beauty. Decent frigapini. That's a dose of frogaponis. That's a dose of frigaponies. Ooh. I don't like that. I mean, this is pretty much it. Like, you know, I've been looking at new trucks, not new ones, 2003, 2005 type truck. You know what I mean? And it's got to have the 6-speed in it, like old friggin' shifty, Because you got all the powers in the world, but if you can't friggin' keep a trammy in the truck for a year, $3,500, you know, what the fuck good's that? Trying the new drive words out. Oh yeah, that's a beaut.
Stay close to the, if you're going to drive through there, stay close to the container. That center part really has to dry up before you drive on it. You're just going to fucking just
mush it up,
stir it all up.
Right on. Yeah, I don't know why the trammy fluid's puking out of the front, like, you know, maybe a seal blue or this and that, but it's like, it's not like you know, if that happens, normally it would be, you're fucking hogging on it something terrible, and then how you doing, right? But I don't know. I mean, the worst I've done to it is pull that U-Haul out of the grass the other day, but drove it tons since then. didn't notice any leakage. Not to say there wasn't any, I just didn't notice it. But either way, I mean, fuck's sakes, right? Wasn't overheating, nothing was too hot, right? So why would it be puking out? Oh, there. I just gotta get those and bring them to Inwood, eh? That's all that needs to happen about that. Need those big time. But yeah, I've been looking at this one. The guy is asking a little bit much for it. I'm trying to work with him, you know, but he's like, it's a mega cab too. Ooh, mega cab dually. I'm assuming it's a long box. Do they make a mega cab long box, or is it like a short box? It was like that truck that was there the other day was a short box. Oh shit. Oh Dick, the good stuff. I saw it. I friggin' saw it, boys. Hold on, I gotta get my other camera out. Oh, where is it? Shit. Oh, my other camera. I don't have it on me. Look at this guy. He's just blowing the leaves across the road onto the middle of the fucking Hydro Dick's property. Eh? What a fucking dick. Blowing the leaves from his yard onto the yard across the street. The good stuff, ladies and gentlemen. The good stuff. Hopefully nobody recognizes him from the net, eh? Hopefully nobody recognizes him from the net. That'd be terrible. Oh, what do I think I am? Meth friggin' doing big rip roars on the lawns? Son of a bitch. Scared! Classy friggin' fella. And that's the kind of guy that'll call the cops and make all type of statements on you. None of his fucking business. But he's the kind of guy that'll blow all his leaves across the road where there is no leaves. Eh? Where there's no leaves. That, my friends, is a goof. I should do that. Get the monkeys to friggin' bring my leaves across the road. I never even thought of that. I'll just bring them over to Polly Baxter's. Eh? So that's the thing though, like if you're gonna do shit like that, why would you ever complain on somebody else? You know, especially when it's made up complaints of nonsense, you know? Shouldn't throw stones if you live in a glass house, bud. Shouldn't fucking throw stones. Well, I'm no detective, but I think I see some evidence of where the boys were emptying the truck. We got some cut up string lines, some friggin' old caulking tubes and cigarette butts. Eh? Isn't that great? Fucking right. Oh, garbage bags are smart. Perfect. Decent. Hey, somebody's getting a raise. Somebody's getting a friggin' raise. Yeah, we need to do the same thing over here. Gravels and a little skimmy skim and packy pack. But yeah, that fence is working great to keep the friggin' methamphetamines out of the yard. That's friggin' awesome. Eh? Love that kind. But yeah, hopefully we can get fucking 10 minutes to put some thought into doing some stuff here, and we'll cut and modify those assholes and try to weld them on for the airbags there. I want to also try to cut the oh fuck, I gotta see, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm thinking that the engine needs to be, you know, obviously up a little bit, right? If you look at friggin' parallels, you know, they friggin' the rhodioider is sort of up and down, and you know, there wasn't a gap like fucking like, there wasn't like a triangle potato gap between the friggin' fan and the friggin' radiator, right? So yeah, surely the back end has to go up at least a little bit anyways. But I'm all over the place with different things. Friggin' wasn't even planning on friggin' moving the truck, and now the transmission's friggin' shit in the bed. Like, I don't even know what that would even be from. I just started it in the cold, and transmission fluid pissed out for a minute, and I drove it, towed a little bit here, fucking gunning her a little bit. But obviously there's an issue. Transmission fluid just doesn't decide to just jump out of the son of a bitch. But anyways. Oh, boys. It's that time of the year. Everybody's wanting a new curtain. Oh my goodness, everybody's wanting a new curtain. A grimy new curtain. You fucking bassin'. You fucking bassin'. No, don't do that. Just drive up her. Careful. Careful. Oh my goodness, careful. Oh my goodness. Where did he learn how to drive? Hey? Oh yeah? Goodness gracious. Where's he even going? He's just steering relentless. Zigging and zagging. Holy shit. Hey? Oh goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. But yeah, there's definitely something wrong with my truck. So, called the trammy deck, of course, and he said, you know, just check, as I said, should I not drive it? He said, well, if it's got fluid in it, fucking drive it. Maybe it's over full. And I was like, well, how does it get over full like 8-9 months after you put it in? I don't understand. But anyways, whatever, I gotta go look at another truck tomorrow anyway. So friggin' hook on the trailer words, friggin' hammer down DeCipini. Hopefully we pick ourselves up something fucking awesome tomorrow, and we're not just gonna get dump truck Kijiji like a friggin' goof. Eh? Apologize, but anyways, boys, friggin' if you love that kind, figure fudge that like button. If you missed a couple bitches from earlier in the week, but anyways, boys, beg my pardon. I would cheat here, go another dick bang. Don't let the watchers get you.